salmon sperm DNA, anyone?
Clinics all over Korea perform a popular treatment called the Reedle injection, which is where the PDRN, aka salmon sperm DNA, is injected into the skin to get that perfectly plump, dewy and smooth, poreless effect that you think of when someone says Korean glass skin.
These are all the syringes I've been collecting that I've done for the past maybe 2 to 3 weeks.
And it's a super popular skin booster treatment that's recommended to get 3 to 4 sessions at the beginning and then 6 months after that. It's also known as miracle healer injection or baby skin injection. And so many celebrities as well as Korean influencers get this done because it's so popular and widely available over there. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing alternatives to achieving similar effects without the salmon or injections, because that's a hard pass from me, but we all want plump skin, right? Back to the salmon sperm for a second. Research from pharmaceutical companies have found that salmon DNA is close to human DNA and very resilient, and when injected is able to increase the thickness, elasticity, collagen production, and so help with fine lines and help the skin healing and regeneration at a cellular level.
찌른 게 낫는 과정에서 새로운 내 몸에서 만들어지는 이 성장 인자들이 생길 텐데.
So, unlike Botox where you're adding external substances like hyaluronic acid to fill an area and plump it up, the PDRN actually works in the dermis layer to promote that collagen production interacting with the skin cells, and it also has additional wound healing and skin healing abilities. But if you're like me and you just plan on well aging naturally, this is Korean red ginseng. Anyway, VT Cosmetics actually created a super unique vegan milky essence that uses wild ginseng rather than salmon. Keyword is wild. So in this essence, they've extracted the highest quality of wild ginseng, specifically at 98%, which is the highest level in Korea right now. Oh! So it's actually one of the most innovative formulas and ingredients I've used in a really long time. So if you're not convinced already, let me show you how to use it. And there's 2 special things you need to know. Let's take this off. So I want to share my findings with this after using it for more than 2 months now, with period skin, with dry skin, with good skin, and how it reacts and what it's best for. Okay, let's get my hair. First is the consistency. In this formula, it doesn't only just have the highest content of that PDRN from ginseng, it's also got 4 to 5 of the best skin nourishing ingredients. So it's very fluid. It's got this very elastic yogurty texture. It becomes a little bit tacky where it melts into your skin, kind of like a thicker milk. Like a glazed donut. In my nighttime routine, use 2 pumps of this, but when I use it during the day, I only go with 1 pump. It just heals the skin and really being that nourishment booster in your skincare routine, especially if you are either dry or dehydrated. And there's an analysis study that tests whether phyto-PDRN, aka ginseng or plant-based, can mimic the effects of animal PDRN. And the study concluded that the ginseng PDRN, which was purified with being tested at different percentages, was able to physically change the skin very similarly. This is innovation in skincare. The second thing to know is that the formulation works really well with any ingredient in your skincare routine, whether that's chemical exfoliants or retinols, vitamin C, and even the VT Reedle Shot. And that just makes it so easy to incorporate into any skincare routine that you already have. So can you see it is so even? Is this not what you think of when you think of like Korean makeup that's like perfectly natural, looks like skin? You have to have a good base. Now I'm gonna quickly finish my makeup. What it can't do is help with exfoliating. So if you find that you break out a lot, you have a lot of clogged pores, you have blackheads, whiteheads, this is not going to help with that. So that's where I feel like the family of the VT products really comes in. So going back to the VT Reedle, my summary was that it worked best at being able to smooth over skin texture. So it's like this gel serum lotion kind of consistency. It kind of feels like when you use a really strong glycolic acid. It's definitely not painful. It's like tingly. The Reedle Shot is designed to help your skincare penetrate the skin more effectively. So essentially being able to make other ingredients work better for you. Like my skin feels so nice. So that's why this is often classified as a skin booster because it pairs beautifully with other ingredients, while this one softens the skin. So together, they actually work brilliantly. Now, let's address some of the questions that you guys had with the VT Reedle because I think they're all very valid questions, especially as new information came out because I did reach out to the team regarding how this actually works. The spicules or the Reedles does fall off with the natural process of skin shedding. And that means with either the 100, 300, or 700, the shedding process will just take longer on your skin as the numbers go up because we wash our face, you know, we wipe it, we do our skincare, and every time there's a little bit of shedding that comes along with that. It goes through a cycle of 28 days, and the older you get, the cycle is about every 30 to 35 days, and new skin cells are being pushed out all the time. So that's the main thing that I wanted to clarify. Together, they work so well, especially acne prone, combination, and people with a lot of hyperpigmentation. We're actually doing a really special giveaway on this video where you can get the combination so that you can try everything that I've been trying to share. So I'm gonna leave all the details on how you can enter in the description, so check that out. It will be open internationally. So this was a whole new world to me because as you might know here, our skin is just skin. We've never had anything done, and it was like mind-blowing to find out how normal and how widespread these kind of treatments and injections were over there. Because I was always wondering, like, am I just not using enough skincare? Is it really just genetics? Are they blessed with perfect skin? But no, actually, it's a lot of work and a lot of maintenance and a lot of money. It kind of just adds into how unattainable I feel like these standards of Korean beauty are. So let's keep the salmon on the plate or in our stomachs and skincare on our skin to do the most. Subscribe if you haven't, join the family, and I'll see you later.